Okay, everybody, so we're back here at the Illustrator file. I'm actually sitting at the laser cutter physically, the machine that controls it, because it's actually connected through USB. So I'm opening my file on this computer that's connected to the laser cutter. And we have our vector art here, and we've discussed previously that the color has to be RGB red, which it is, and the line weight has to be 0.001 in order to cut. So we're going to send this to the laser cutter software so that we can cut it out. So I'm going to go to File, and we'll go to Print, or you can do Control P. You don't have to change anything here at all. Just click on Print. Okay, that's it for that. We can close this out now. And now we're going to go to the program that controls it. I have a little shortcut down here. It's called the UCP, the Universal Control Panel. This is the interface for the laser cutter. You can see right now our little Space Invader guy is kind of floating in space. So the dimensions of the laser cutter can cut is 18 up and down, vertical, by 32 horizontal. So that's a pretty big sheet there. So I'm just going to kind of move him up to the upper left-hand corner here. This is looking down at the cutting bed, by the way. So he's going to cut up there. I'm going to tell it what type of material we're going to put this on. I'm actually going to cut this on a piece of acrylic that I have. We have some setups here already. I have one for Mrs. Haney we made. So we're going to set that there. Basically what that tells the laser to do is what kind of temperature and speed that it goes. And that's based on the materials here. So we've already established what materials it is, and we know the thickness. You don't really have to do too much of that. If you have some new material, you have to measure it to tell it what the material thickness is here. But I know that the material itself is 0.25 inches. That's a quarter inch. And I'm going to click OK. And then we're going to turn on the laser cutter over here in the upper right. And you'll hear it turn on. And we're going to run the job and see how our little spaceman comes out.